In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error 280 when playing Roblox. So this error means that your Roblox client is outdated or failed to auto-update. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our Start menu, go to Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, type in Roblox, and now click on the three dots next to Roblox Player and uninstall this, and do the same for Roblox Studio. Now go into your browser and type in roblox.com. Open a game, press the blue play button and follow the instructions on how to reinstall Roblox. So the next thing we're going to do is delete any temporary files. To do this, press the Windows key and R, and now type in %temp %, press enter, press the three dots, select all, and then delete these. So now we're going to do the same on our browser. So we're going to open up Chrome, click on the three dots, click on delete browsing data, and you want to make sure cached images and files are selected, and then you want to set the time frame to just before this issue started. Now press delete data. And the last thing you can do is check your time and data set correctly. So right click in the bottom right corner, select adjust date and time. And now here you want to make sure that set the time automatically is turned on. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.